Your zero-cost blueprint for epic cinematic Stickman animations. Got absolutely zero animation experience and zero budget? Honestly, it doesn't matter at all. Zero problem. We're using a 100% free AI to totally bypass the drawing phase. So grab your megaphone. Here is your rapid-fire director's journey. First up, chatgpt. Have it generate a script, then ask for a scene-by-scene breakdown. Crucially, ask it for a master prompt. This guarantees perfect visual consistency later on. Next, we use Gemini for those detailed backgrounds and Meta AI for unlimited stick figures. Just prompt Meta AI like this: minimal 2D art, stick figure boy with big eyes. What's really cool is generating each scene separately creates your instant visual storyboard. Action! Phase 3 is where we turn those static images into an actual animated story. You've got two awesome free animation methods here: automated grock or manual Canva sequencing. With Canva, just apply free transitions like match and move, fade, or pan for simple movement. Or, if you want it done for you, automate the whole shebang with grock. Just install the Grow extension, upload your scenes into grock, and paste those ChatGPT prompts.
Boom. The AI turns those images into video clips. It handles the motion for you.
Perfect character consistency and literally zero drawing skills required. You never even pick up a pen. All right, moving on to phase 4, voiceover and sound. Welcome to the sound stage. We're using Google AI Studio's Gemini Flash Preview. It generates incredibly realistic, high-quality narration. You can give it specific style instructions, like warm and motivational tone, to direct the performance. Then, grab no copyright community sound effects for action scenes. The free Pepper Sound Pack is great. Time for final assembly. Use Clipchamp or Canva to perfectly sync your audio and video. So the crucial point here is syncing everything down to just one clean MP4 file. Now you've got a perfectly formatted video ready to premiere on YouTube, TikTok, or Reels.